because of. So I'm starting with the hip point. I trouser length. Our trouser length is 41. So I'm going to be marking that 41. I'm going to be marking that 41. Then we start. I want to get our guideline for our trouser length, which I'm going to be starting from the waistline to the hip point. Waistline to the hip point. As she's adult, I'm going to be using 9 for her waistline to the hip point. Then her waistline to above the knee, I'm going to be using 17. But for children, you can use 15. Then if I want to get her crotch, I'm going to be adding 2 for her crotch, which is from the 9 you count 10, 11 for her crotch. So I'm going to be marking it. After that, you start your measurements. We are going to be starting from the hip. So we are going to be dividing our hip into 2. That is 43.5 divided. So from the crotch line, we are going to be using the same thing we use for the hip, which is 10.1. Then we are going to be marking the same 2 we mark here. Then we are going to be adding 3. That is only the difference from the hip and the crotch line. So our lap is 23. We are going to be using our above the knee for our lap. Our lap is 23. 23 divided. So we have already divided our 23.5. Our 23.5 is 11.5.1. So we are going to be marking it 11.5.1. Then we add 2. So our waistline is then 43. Our waist is 40.5. So we have already divided our 40.5 to give us 10.1. So we are going to be marking that 10.1 here. 10.1. Then we are going to be adding 2, but we like to add 3. After that, we are going to be connecting from our waist to hip to crotch, then to the lap, then straight. This is to the crotch. Then this place, you make it like an hole. Then you go straight. Okay, this is how to cut a palazzo trouser. So please, do you understand our cutting of palazzo trouser? This is the front for our palazzo trouser. This is waist to hip. This is waist to hip, crotch, and above the hip. So all these lines are the guidelines for our trouser palazzo. We divide our waist, our hip. Our hip we use it for the crotch line. Then we added 3. Then we divide our lap, then we add 2. That's just all for it.